Welcome back to the Smart Start Squad. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of science and discovery in our classroom. Join us as we explore the wonders of our science area, which is filled with nature's treasures and scientific tools. In this video, we'll share some examples of materials you can implement into the area, and various types of sciences and the valuable skills children can acquire through hands-on exploration. Our science area is brimming with elements from the natural world. From turtle shells to seashells, snake skins to bird nests, and plants. These items provide a window into the wonders of natural science. We'll encourage young minds to embrace the art of observation. From examining intricate seashells to marveling at the intricate patterns found in a snake's skin, we'll guide children on how to carefully observe these natural wonders. This not only sharpens their attention to detail but also instills a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world around them. As children interact with these specimens, they develop an appreciation for biodiversity, learn about animal habitats, and discover the beauty of the great outdoors. Among the rocks and acorns, children can explore the realm of earth science. They can investigate the different types of plants, learn about gardening processes, and even engage in simple experiments to understand concepts like planting and caring for live plants. This hands-on approach nurtures a love for earth science and encourages curiosity about the world beneath our feet. In our science area, we also provide tools of exploration, such as magnifying glasses, binoculars, and scales. These instruments empower children to observe closely, make measurements, and develop analytical skills. By using these tools, they enhance their scientific inquiry abilities, setting the stage for more complex investigations in the future. With light tables, children can dive into the fascinating realm of optics. They can experiment with prisms, explore color mixing, and observe the magic of light and shadows. This exposure to fundamental optical principles sparks an early interest in physics and encourages critical thinking as they manipulate light to create art and explore scientific phenomena. The science area fosters scientific inquiry and problem-solving skills. Children can formulate questions, make hypotheses, and conduct investigations using the materials at their disposal. Whether they're observing a magnified leaf or experimenting with scales, these experiences cultivate their ability to think critically and draw conclusions. We'll inspire budding scientists to ask questions about the items in the science area. Why are some rocks smooth while others are rough? What secrets do bird nests hold? By nurturing their inquisitive nature, we empower them to explore and find answers, sparking a lifelong passion for inquiry-based learning. That wraps up our exploration of the science area in our classroom. It's incredible how this space inspires a passion for the sciences and cultivates essential skills. By engaging with specimens from nature, utilizing scientific tools, and fostering inquiry, we're setting the stage for a lifelong love of learning and scientific discovery. Thank you for joining us today on this scientific adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into another exciting aspect of early childhood development. Until then, keep nurturing those curious minds and exploring the wonders of science.